What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And we are on day 16 now, 16 of our 5K program. So congratulations, everybody. You're doing a fantastic job. And we're really, I have to say, we're really proud of you. So keep hitting play, and you are going to get that 5K in the bag very soon. So let's get to it. All right. So today is going to be the same workout as yesterday. So I will hand you right over to Coach Robin, and she's going to take you away.
Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday. Great job yesterday on doing your 2-minute run, 2-minute walk and 2-minute run for 5 times. Great job. I know it was a little bit different, but you know, that's what we're going to keep doing. We're going to keep improving 1% every day until we get to our goal. So there's lots of ways to get movement in and activity. We've chosen to, start running and training for our first 5K or our first 5K in a long time. But there's lots of ways to get activity in, and I'll just show you one right here. Surfing. That is a great way to get a workout in. Look at these guys. It does seem like a lot of waiting around, but I think it's a lot of work, paddling out and everything. And then when you get up on your board, I don't know, maybe I'll, after this, I'll do On Our Way to a surf, the wave program or something. We'll see. Anyway, let's get back to what we're doing. We are doing our On Our Way to a 5K, and we are Tuesday, and we're doing the same workout we did yesterday. 2-minute walk, 2-minute run, 5 times. Total of 20 minutes. You got it, guys. And so I hope you remember what I said about the conversational pace and the form that we use. Remember, we're keeping our arms going forward and not side to side, because we want them to go in the direction we're going, and we're not going this way. We're going this way, right? And we want to have a nice posture with some athletic knees, and lean at our ankles, right? Not at our hips, not at our waist. Lean at our ankles, and keep your fingers nice and loose, like you're holding on to a potato chip. Don't eat that potato chip, guys. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get ready. I am going to do my my warm-up exercises. I'm going to do my run, and then I am going to do my cool downs. So have a great workout.
All right, all I could say is fantastic. You guys are doing an amazing job. Just keep hitting play, keep coming back. We'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow, I think, is a rest day. I'm pretty sure it is. But you'll find out from Coach Robin tomorrow. But just keep pushing play. You're going to get through this. And you guys are doing an amazing job. We're really proud of you. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.